What is up, friends? Clay with eKnives.com. I have here the Ice Pick XL from Sergey Rogovets Extreme Addiction. He just brought this out. This is a little bit bigger than his standard Ice Pick. This one has a blade length of 4.45 inches, so it's a little bit longer than the other Ice Pick, the standard that he's been doing. And this is a titanium handle. It's still a front flipper, smooth action, satin CPM S45 VN blade steel on these. So this one's got a bronze anodized. Here's a blue. Super smooth action on these. So I've got these three right now. These are all about to list on the website. I think they're right at $11.50. So if you want to get one of these all come with this blue Sergey Rogovets Custom Knives drawstring pouch. Of course, they come with Sergey's COA, no CNC, and then it's got the Ice Pick XL EDC series, and they all come with a waterproof case. So eKnives.com. You guys have any questions, call or text me 423-525-9477. Thanks.